Hi! Today I'm going to unbox the Arylic B50 Bluetooth streaming stereo amplifier, which comes with a lot of great features. This home audio amplifier offers features like aptX HD Bluetooth streaming quality, HDMI ARC for your TV, phono input for a vinyl player, RCA, and optical Toslink inputs, and a subwoofer output. It also includes iOS and Android control apps, a remote control, and tools for tuning sound. The full specification for the stereo amp are in the video description. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. You can watch the full review on the TechScrew main channel. But for now, let's move on to the unboxing.